Tonight, a short journey to the beginning of Imperial China, the Qin Dynasty, 221 to 206 BCE. For centuries, China had been a patchwork of rival states. Qin, a western state with disciplined armies and tough laws, conquered by others one by one. In 221 BCE, its king took a new title, first Emperor Qin Huang, and declared the land unified. What made Qin different wasn't just victory, it was how they governed. Influenced by legalism, they built a system that prized clear rules, central control, and rewards for performance. The empire was divided into commanderies and countries run by appointed officials, not hereditary lords. Power flowed upward, records flowed downward. Then comes standardization, the quiet magic of a big state working smoothly. Qin set common weights and measures, a uniform coin, and even standardized axle widths so carts fit the same ruts on imperial roads. They promoted a shared script so orders could be read across regions. Everyday life became more compatible, and tax and transport became easier to manage. The first emperor also built. He ordered a network of straight roads and major canals to feed armies and fields. In the north, Qin linked and extended existing walls into long frontier fortifications, early foundations of what we later call the Great Wall. And under the earth, near the capital, a vast terracotta army was crafted to guard the emperor in death. Thousands of silent soldiers, each with a distinct face. But there was a darker edge. Qin law was harsh, with collective punishment and heavy labor demands for walls, roads, and palaces. Later accounts described the burning of certain books and the punishment of scholars to stamp out dissent, a story debated by historians, but part of the dynasty's enduring image. The same force that united the realm also bred resentment. After Qin Shi Huang died in 210 BCE, court struggles and a weak successor, the second emperor, unsettled the reign. Rebellions fled, starting with small uprisings that grew bold and the center faltered. By 206 BCE, the dynasty collapsed. Power passed through warlords like Xiang Yu before settling with Liu Bang, who founded the Han Dynasty. Qin's short rule left a long legacy. The imperial bureaucracy, the map of countries and roads, the habits of standardization, and the idea of a central state survived into Han and beyond. Even the word China, some say, may echo Qin. Takeaway: Qin was brief but foundational, a hard push that forged the tools of empire, law, standards, roads, war, and a single political center. What followed in Chinese history often responded to Qin's example, sometimes softening it, sometimes reviving it. Sleep well.